So many business owners have been complaining of high cost of adverts for their products. And the truth is, the cost of production this period is really high. But I've come with good news and a game changer. I came across this platform that can effortlessly help you create adverts for your product in a way you won't even get, even when you spend much producing. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you how it works.
Without wasting much of your time, I will just go straight into how this platform works. Although it had a lot of features, but I will go directly to how I create my ads and create video ad, listing images, viral cloning. You can clone any video of your choice. And okay, let's just create one. All right, let's go to assets. As you can see over here, I have my products images that I've uploaded before, but I would like to upload one now so that we'll work with it. Okay, I would like to select this. It's currently uploading. Okay, we have it here now. Okay, once your image is done loading, you can click on it and create video ad. You can clone video, product listing. The platform is just so good and it's very, very easy to use. Okay, let's get this done. I would like to change my model to this and want to increase it to, okay, maybe 9 seconds will be fine. Then when you want to prompt it, you reference to the image by using good add video for image on with the kid's hand writing the kid's hand with the kid's hand drawing on it and after that the kid uses the power button to wipe the screen to become blank again. All right, let's see what it's going to give us now. Like I told you, I use this mainly to generate only product ads. It's not for storytelling. It's not like ChatGPT. It's just for product adverts. Okay, so let's see our generation. And our video is ready. Oh, this is a phone. I will have to download it to my gallery before we can view. Should have been easier if it was on the laptop. So let's go to the gallery and have a view. Okay, and here is it. Very nice. I love that. And I would urge you to give this a trial. And once you register, you get 50 credits for free for you to try and get something for yourself before you can even pay. So this is worth time. Don't forget, the link would be in the description box. As you can see, it has a lot of features. It has a lot of video tools, video cloning, paid video ad, viral videos, avatar tools, image tools. It's just name it. It has a lot of viral video listing images, creating video ad, video cloning, lip sync. So give it a trial and thank me later. You also have reference videos that you can decide to use in creating your own. So I encourage you to try and give me the trial.
You see how easy it was creating those adverts in less than few minutes. People are already taking advantage of this opportunity, and I encourage you to do so too. Just use the link in the description and start increasing your revenue. See you.